Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can protect the size and position of an object or shape you add to your drawings on LibreOffice Draw. So let us dive into this. So guys, let me go to the rectangle here for demonstration purposes inside the drawing project on that page. So you will need to access the selected shapes or objects properties. To do that, click into properties in the top right or use the shortcut Alt-1. Expand in the position and size tab. And what you want to do, guys, you may also access more options here by clicking into that small button. And there are two ways how you can do this. You can, for example, protect the position and size by clicking into that lock button here, or into the check mark next to it, sorry, to lock the width and height. Or here inside that detailed menu, navigate to position and size tab to the left, and under protect, choose one of these options, positions or size, and then you will see either of one of these is then going to be locked, so that you can make or add any changes to it. To unlock both position and size, simply remove the check mark from that checkbox here, click into OK, or reset your settings. That's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some real value from it, and we'll catch you later.